Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we'll show you a trade I took on the London session and just finished right, I think like 2-3 minutes ago. I think not so much, like it was really close earlier. So I'll show you the breakthrough of the trade, my thoughts, what did I took, and you'll see the concept that I use. As always, was a market maker, ICT concepts, and let's go through. Okay, so like always, I'm on the daily chart on the USD Japanese yen, and I saw this here. That we are on the bullish momentum on the daily chart, and saw this here. Fair value gap open that was respected perfectly and going to the upside. Okay, so we are trading on this candle here on the 16. I saw this candle going to the fair value gap, respecting. I was expecting some bullish movement now. Okay, and today we had news at 8 a.m. 8:30 a.m. on the USD, so I was expecting to be bullish news because of the XY. Okay, so I saw this fair value gap here, really being respected, so I went to the 1 hour. Okay, as you can see, this is the fair value gap here. Okay, so I was trading on the London session starting at here 2 p.m. Okay, and I was before the session I was looking for some information on the chart, and I saw this. So this high here being taken. Okay, perfectly. I'll put just this here as an annotation. Okay, being taken, going down, and then going here. We had here a change of the market, and the market started moving bullish. Okay, so this side was taken here. We had here on the 5-minute market maker model by model on this one here. If we go, you can see we had here market maker by model. We had a purge here, market then change the state. As you can see, went perfectly. But that was not my trade. My trade was here. Okay, I was here. As I saw this market maker by model of a 5-minute being completed, then I was looking for on this side of the curve some opportunities to enter to complete this model here. So I saw a fair value gap here being open, but then I saw this gap here. So I thought, okay, so this fair value gap turned to be a breakaway gap, so price will not come here and will respect this gap first. So I went to the 5 minutes. As you can see, this vertical line is the 2 a.m. opening. Here. You can see here's 2 a.m. and I was looking for opportunities. This was the breakaway gap, and this is the gap that's being respected. Okay, so you see price respecting this here. I saw this here, perfectly respected, absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, price respect the order block. Then I saw this change here on the market structure. So I'm starting to looking for opportunities here. I saw this here, this fair value gap here opened. Sorry. Then I noticed something. I was starting to look if this was the only opportunity that I have here, but I saw something curious here. If you see, we had here previously bearish order block that turned to be a breaker block, and that breaker block is occurring, the fair value gap is occurring inside the breaker block. So we had here a perfectly unicorn setup. So this was a unicorn right here. So I was very happy with showing this, and put my entry here, my stop loss a bit below this order block here, something like this. See, my stop was here, and with the bullish news, I was expecting some bullish momentum on the morning of New York on 8 a.m. So I put around here on 2RR. Okay, I had my entry here. Then I was watching the charts, and I saw this momentum here. As you can see, price was almost touching, almost taking this low here. But we had here, this here. So let me. What we had here was a CMT with DXY. As you can see, if I put this here like this, as you can see already here, as you see, the lows are coincidentally equal, and you see that DXY went below, but USD GPY was respecting. So we had here some kind of a CMT here, these lows. So this was breakthrough, this was not. So CMT, and we had here change on the market, respecting, because the New York session start and showed a continuation, and was perfectly went with the news. As you can see, the 2RR was perfect, and I took some profits here on this one, and I took some profits here on this one, on the last the buy side liquidity here. Took some profits here. My I want to break even here, then put my target was here on this one. I think is this one. Yes. I put my target here on this one. I could put here, but I think it was too risky, so I put it here, just so the run. I took half on that, and I went here. As you can see, this was just let me this so you can see. This was 3, but I took some here, something like a 2 and 2. I think it's 2 and something. So as you can see, it was perfectly good trade. All concepts align. So it was a really nice setup. So as you can see, we are on the green today. We had our previous trade, the Canadian dollar with the Swiss franc in green, that closed today, and I took this trade and was also green. So we end the weekly perfectly with a green day. Let's go. See you guys in the next time.